is heavy with the static of the turning heat. I'm tethered to the floor by shadows, tracing circles on my feet. The window hums a frequency I finally learned to keep. Soft focus on the garden where the summer's gone to sleep. Let the seasons change their skin outside the door. I don't need the motion anymore. This solitude is a sweater that I'm glad to wear, finding beauty in the stillness of the air. Finding beauty in the stillness of the air. Dust motes dancing in the light, a private quiet show. I'm watching how the maple leaves are learning how to let go. No voices in the hallway, no places I have to go. Just the humming of the fridge and the way the time is slow. Let the seasons change their skin outside the door. I don't need the motion anymore. This solitude is a sweater that I'm glad to wear, finding beauty in the stillness of the air. Finding beauty in the stillness of the air. The tether's frayed, the static's clear. Everything I need is here. Soft focus world is all I see. Just the hum, and just the hum, and just the me. The air is soft now, just the hum. The tea has gone to stone inside the cup. Cold blue light is trying to wake the walls up. Last night is a ghost leaning in the hall. I don't mind the silence, I don't mind at all. And it's just the hum of the fridge and the street, a kind of quiet comfort, bittersweet. The world is sleeping sound while I stay here, letting all the static finally disappear. Finally disappear. I trace the pattern that the shadows left, of a shared joke and a moment of kept breath. Now the clock is ticking like a heart in the wood, and I'd keep the morning exactly where it stood. And it's just the hum of the fridge and the street, a kind of quiet comfort, bittersweet. The world is sleeping sound while I stay here, letting all the static finally disappear. Finally disappear. The air is heavy with the static of the turning heat. I'm tethered to the floor by shadows, tracing circles on my feet. The window hums a frequency I finally learned to keep. Soft focus on the garden where the summer's gone to sleep. Let the seasons change their skin outside the door. I don't need the motion anymore. This solitude is a sweater that I'm glad to wear, finding beauty in the stillness of the air. Finding beauty dancing in the light, a private quiet show. I'm watching how the maple leaves are learning how to let go. No voices in the hallway, no places I have to go.